Now, Downloader works just like a web browser. We can type in any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, https://ledbytheunknown.com/download. So I have a short code for you, and it's way quicker. Best apps for 2026. We're looking for sports, right? Yes, sir. 3, 7, 0, 1, 7, 8. And then hit next. Hey, what's going on, guys? Are you looking for movies and TV shows, live TV and sports, all in your Amazon Fire TV stick, all for free, all on apps you've never heard before, on apps you can't find in the App Store? Follow along and I'll show you how. First thing, the find icon. Come down into the search field and select it. We're just going to highlight D and select it. This gives us Downloader. If Downloader didn't show up, just type in the whole word. By the time you get to a WDOWN, it should show up. Select it. This is Downloader, the app we need to download to our Fire Stick. Select it. On mine, it already says I already own it. You may not, so get it, download it, and install it onto your device. While this is downloading, please, I thank you so much. Please share this with a friend. I know you know someone who would love to get this on their device. Before we open it, hit the home button on our remote. Head all the way over to the settings guy there, the very end. Come down and highlight My Fire TV. Yours may say My Device, and it might be down here on older versions. So select that. Here I have developer options listed. You may not, and that's okay. Highlight About. Oh, puppy. We have a thunderstorm coming and the puppy's not happy. Hey, girl. Highlight About, select on it. Here it says Fire TV Stick. Yours may say 4K or something different. Just select it about 7 to 10 times. And then it says now no need, you're already a developer, or maybe it says congratulations, you're now a developer. Back out 1. Developer options should now be listed. If for some reason developer options is not listed, please unplug your device for like 30 seconds. Plug it back in. You should be good to go. Highlight developer options, select it, turn on ADB debugging, down 1 to install unknown apps, older applications. It's just an on and off switch there. This, you gotta select it, look for Downloader, and turn that on. This enables Downloader to do sideload applications you can't find in the App Store. This is what people call jailbreakings. I know it is not jailbreaking. All we're doing is changing an option to enable the device to download apps that aren't from the App Store. Just side-loading apps. That's all this is. So now that that's done, we hit the home button. And now let's look for Downloader. Head all the way over to the 3 squares plus sign and select. This brings up all our apps and games that are available. The last one we downloaded ends up at the very bottom. So we can highlight Downloader, the 3-line button on our remote, move it to the front. And now it puts it up in this front row. And this top row here is our shortcuts row, or our quick links row right there. So we can actually just now select Downloader. It's okay, girl. Yes, allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on our device. Now, Downloader works just like a web browser. We can type in any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. That's a lot to type in. So I have a short code for you, and it's way quicker. We have a little red circle acts as our cursor. Our remote acts as our mouse. So right, left, up, down. A little select button up top. So we just highlight the little search field. It may come over here. Just click it over. Selecting it. Brings up the keyboard. so we can enter our short code. 3, 7, 0, 1, 7, 8. And then hit next. Now there's a 5-second redirect. Just let's give it a couple moments. I thank you again for watching. Hit the share button with your buddies. Once the redirect is done and the page has started to load, use the 3-line button on your remote. Add this page to your favorites and we hit save. Now we don't need to worry about the URL, the shortcode or anything. You can just go to the favorites, boom, select it, it brings you right to here. On this page, we have other tutorials. Check them out. We have the applications, some how-tos, and whatever else we need. If you want, you can join our email subscriber list or hit the X button. Let's head on down. Now, I've always suggested, please get yourself a nice, reliable VPN. Get out your phone as this is up on your TV. Scan this QR code. Get yourself 82% off, 30 days, money back guarantee for IP Vanish. Protect your online security. This works across all your different platforms, whether you're Android, Apple, MacBooks, PCs, laptops, desktops, any kind of device that uses a VPN to secure your online activity. You want to go to the coffee shop and use their Wi-Fi? Turn on your VPN. Then weird shit doesn't happen to your phone. Let's keep going. All right, best apps for 2026. We're looking for sports, right? Yes, sir. Select. Quick little download. Down at the bottom right corner, it's going to ask us to highlight, install, and select it. Let the application install. And then hit done. Now, delete the installation file. We don't need these APK files taking up space on our device. So confirm the delete. Next one, we can play. This is a different type of download. If you actually just come down a little bit, it's got a little countdown, and then it brings up this little blue box. Highlight the white download arrow and select on it. Don't worry about anything else to select on. Bottom right, install. Yes, girl. Whoa. 100-pound German Shepherd, scared of thunder. I don't know. We hit done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. And then we'll probably need to back out twice. Maybe a third time. There we go. We go back down. And guys, we can try like T, select on it. I am updating the list constantly, so there will be different apps by the time you get here. Bottom right, install. Highlight done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. Now, and if you want to, hit the Kodi, download it, and I'll show you how to get it running. Let's hit the home button on our remote and find these applications. So just like Downloader, the 3 squares plus sign. And down at the very bottom are our apps. So we can hit 3-line button, move it. So we can do like move it. Same with live or play, move it, T, move it, home screen. There we go. Follow this next step for Cody and enjoy. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick tips, tricks, and how-tos. Please follow along. Please, I am here to teach you how to get great apps on your Fire Stick that you've never heard before. So enjoy. Happy streaming. Peace. Last application we install at the very bottom. Click on Cody. We'll say continue. Allow. This is the first run. When this starts up, it'll be just plain old code. When this starts up, we'll get just plain old Cody. Settings. System. Add-ons. Slide over, come down, unknown sources, select. That turns it on and say yes. Back out one with your remote. Up here, File Manager. Add source. Select in there, we get a keyboard. Here we're going to type in our URL, HTTP. We have a semicolon, we need a full colon, so use the shift key. And you go over full colon, // and we gotta go dig in here. Alrighty, here's the URL for you to type in. Once you have it typed in, click OK. Now, HTTP or HTTPS, depending. Sometimes one works, one doesn't. I've always had HTTP work, so you never know. It gives you a name, select OK. We back out one, and here add-ons. Come down to from zip, our name, our zip file. Up in the top corner, it says it's ready. So we go to repository, our name, and then program. A bunch of different versions to do here. Cleanest one, we have a wizard. It does not auto run anymore. It no longer auto runs, so click install. Give it a moment here. Has a little percentage meter, so we're at 0%. It'll work its way up. It'll do some flashies here. Take a minute. So we're at 33%. It's ready. So if we get this, we're ready. If we couldn't get to this screen, you typed in your URL incorrectly. Now, it used to auto do everything. It doesn't anymore. That's okay. Click Chef again. Down at the bottom left, open. Build, click. One of these two. They seem to switch every time I try it, so I'll do the first version. Ready, say continue. There we go, folks. I really appreciate the fact that you are still here and following these guides. These are guidelines to help you learn to do this for your Fire Stick. If you don't come back, I appreciate the fact that you came at least once. If you think this is the same video over and over and over again, it is. The only way I can really get to more people is if you watch it and share it. So please share this with a friend. The videos may seem very mundane if you watch them all. I would definitely agree. But the more videos I pump out, the more people like you get to learn how to do this with your Amazon Fire TV Stick. So I thank you very much. Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Apparently it helps out with the algorithm. All right, that's done. It wants to force close Cody. Click OK. You're welcome. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick needs, tips and tricks, and how-tos. Enjoy. Happy streaming. Peace.